Over the last few weeks and months, I've seen a tremendous increase in the number of inquiries about sustainability. And those come from every direction, often linked to specific product areas. I'm a logistics guy, I'm a product design guy, I'm a manufacturing guy, I'm a planner. And as we look forward with that, our goal is always to make sustainability an intrinsic part of all of those conversations with customers, customer advisory boards, ideas that we drive into our products, and really think about that as an intrinsic part of what makes excellence in each product area. Things are evolving. I think that if you go back a few years, it was difficult to really be objective and measure your performance. But increasingly, the measures are there and the standards are there. Standards like SASB, Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, the Global Greenhouse Gas Reporting Initiative, GRI, is a great standard. Carbon Disclosure Project helps manage that process. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals really aim to look at a broad spectrum of goals, social goals, economic goals, as well as environmental and sustainability goals. They really do help us understand the targets we want to shoot for if we're going to really transform our economy into a sustainable economy. When you think about sustainability, you need to sort of go back into your supply chain and understand, where are the materials coming from, and what is the nature of those materials? How do you move material around? How efficient is that? What kind of packaging do you use? Manufacturing processes? Are you driving those as efficiently as possible? Transportation? Are you making the best use of transportation assets? As you look at the sell side, clearly there's opportunities to reduce packaging so that you reduce waste, excess, and obsolescence. Can also have a big sustainability impact. Thinking about your products at the end of their life cycle, how do you get back those products, bring them back into either your supply chain or a partner's supply chain, and make use of the components that made those products? So it really is thinking about things in a end-to-end and circular way. I'm sure many of us have heard the phrase smart manufacturing, which is often interpreted to mean addition of things like IoT technology, 3D printing, AI, machine learning, and that's obviously all true. But I think if we're thinking about sustainability, we have to add sustainability to that idea of what is smart. Something like IoT helps you reach into the real world and monitor it in real time. So the combination of that real-time information together with very powerful analytics gives you the insights you need to really make smarter decisions. And those smarter decisions are going to be, help you eliminate waste. It's going to help you, track what's going on in your supply chain. It's going to monitor equipment and make sure that it's performing properly at an optimum level. Increasingly, sustainability is a requirement, both, from your customers you're dealing with, the regulatory environment, the society you're in. And so, if you're not innovating inside that framework, you're going to struggle. We've really celebrated all of the initiatives that our customers have driven using Oracle technology and other technologies to drive sustainability initiatives within different businesses, different organizations. We have customers in the food packaging industry, and their goal is to really decarbonize the entire supply chain. In the industrial manufacturing sector, Alcar, who is an automotive parts supplier of steel wheels, is looking how they can use less and cleaner energy in their manufacturing processes. Unilever is a classic example of a business-to-consumer company with many, many brands, and we've worked with them very closely on transportation, where we have significantly reduced their CO2 emissions from the transportation of their products. Reducing inventory and waste in the food industry is obviously critical, and we've worked with Ledestri around their planning processes in order to achieve very significant goals in that area. Enabling smart cities is a critical aspect of sustainability, and we've worked with the city of San Jose on a variety of initiatives around efficient transportation, improved waste management, and improved connection to all of their citizens. Oracle is a big and complex global company, and we have many different aspects to our business. We embed all of these sustainability policies and practices into how we operate that aspect of our business, and indeed every aspect of our business. We've consistently driven down our water usage, our energy consumption. We use the catchphrase at Oracle, sustainability is everyone's business. And truly, that's the way you need to look at it. Embed it in how you live, the products you build, how you use them, how you engage with your suppliers, how you engage with your business partners. All of that has some aspect of sustainability.